students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve your all queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last session we have discussed about AP and today we continue with this. Today we continue with AP. What is AP? AP is arithmetic progressions. We continue some problems. We will discuss some variety of questions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions so that you can appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here the question says, for what value of n both the nth term of these following for what value of n the nth term of the following APs are same for what value of n the nth term of the following nth term of the following APs are same. Here the two APs are given. First AP is 1, 7, 13, 19. In this second AP is given as 69, 68, 67 in this. For the first AP, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. We know nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is 1 plus n minus 1 into D means 6. Here the an is equal to 1 plus n 6n minus 6 means an is equal to 6n minus 5. Here an is equal to 6n minus 5 for first AP and solve the second AP. Here for the second AP, A is equal to 69 and D is equal to 68 minus 69 minus 1. Here nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. n minus 1 into D. Here A is 69 plus n minus 1 into D in place of an is equal to 69 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 1. Then here an is 69 minus n plus 1. Here an is equal to 70 minus n, but according to questions these two are same because the question says the nth term of the following APs are same. Means according to questions 1 is equal to 2. Here 1 is equal to 2. Then equating 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we get 6n minus 5 as the question says. For what value of n the nth term of the following APs are same. Nth term of this AP and nth term of this AP are same. Here the nth term of first AP is 6n minus 5. Here nth term of the second AP is 70 minus n. According to question, 6n minus 5 is equal to 70 minus n. We have to find out the value of n. 6n plus n is equal to 70 plus 5 means 7n is equal to 75. Here n is equal to 75 upon 7. here n is equal to 75 upon 7 means n is not a which is not a natural number. Hence this is not possible for the value any value of n. These two following APs have the same nth term, because the value of n must be a natural number, but here the value of n is not a natural number, means it is not possible, is not a natural number, is not a natural number. Hence it is not possible for which value of n these two following AP have the same nth term. Okay, then next questions. Here the question says, if 8th term of an AP is 31 and 15th term is 16, 16 more than 11th term, find the AP. In these questions we have to find out AP. We don't know what is AP here, but the questions given 8th term is equal to 31 and 15th term is equal to 16 more than the 11th term, 16th more than the 11th term, 16 more than the 11th term. According to AP, 8th term is equal to a plus 7d. 8th term is equal to a plus 7d, which equal to 31, and the 15th term is equal to a plus 14d, which is equal to a plus 14d is equal to 16 plus a plus 10d, a plus 10d, a cancel. Here 14d minus 10d is equal to 16, means 4d is equal to 16, d is equal to 4. Here we get d is equal to 4. Put this value of d in this. Here a plus 7d is equal to 31. In place of d we can put 4. This is 31, means a plus 28 is equal to 31, which imply a equal to 31 minus 28 is 3. Then we find the value of a is 3 and d is 4, which means AP is equal to 3. We know AP is a plus d, a plus 2d. In this way we can write here AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 in this way. This is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d in this way. This is the AP. This is the given AP. Then next questions. Here the next question says, which term of the AP, given AP, will be 130 more than its 31st term? Here the AP is given. I have already told students, please practice variety of questions. Here AP is given as 5, 15, 25, 5, 15, 25 in this way, and we have to find out which term. We don't know which term. Let the nth term let the nth term is 30 is 130 more than its 31st term, is 130 more than its 31st term. Then here in this AP, a is equal to 5 and d equal to 15 minus 5, 10. Then here we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 10, means this is equal to 5 plus 10n minus 10, which is equal to 10n minus 5. An equal to 10n minus 5. But according to questions, an is equal to 130 plus a plus 30d, means 31 term, a plus 30d. Here the 130 30 plus, in place of a we can write a plus 30 into 10, means this is equal to a plus 430. Here according to questions, a n equal to this and a n equal to this, because a n is 130 more than a 31. Then equating equation 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we get 10n minus 5 is equal to 10n minus 5 is equal to a plus 1 minute. This is a n is equal to yes, a plus 430. A plus 430. We know the value of a is equal to 5. 5 plus 430 means 10n is equal to 435 plus 5. 10n is equal to 440. N is equal to 44. Then which term of the following AP is 130 more than its 31st term? A 44th term, because we get here the value of n is 44, means a 44 is equal to 130 more than its 31st term. Here we get a 44 is equal to 130 plus a 31, means here the 44th term, is 130 more than is 31st term. Okay. Then next questions. You students, please do your worksheet and ask me your doubt in my comment box. I promise I will clear your variety of all your doubts. Here the question says, if the 10th term of the AP is 52 and 17th term is 20 more than 13th term, then find the AP. This question is also like the previous questions. The 10th term of the AP is 52. 10th term is 52. 10th term is equal to 52, means a plus 9d is equal to 52, and the question said 17th term is 20 more than the 13th term. 17th term a17 is equal to 20 more than is 13th term a13. A17th is equal to a plus 16d, which is equal to 20 plus a plus 12d. Here a cancel. 16d minus 12d is equal to 20, means 4d is equal to 20. D is equal to 5. We get the value of D is 5, and we know a plus 9d is equal to 52. Then in place of d we can write 5 is equal to 52. Then a plus 45 is equal to 52, which imply a is equal to 52 minus 45 7. Then we get a equal to 7 and d equal to a equal to 7 and d equal to 5. Then we can get the AP as here a equal to 7 and d equal to 5. Then the AP can be written as a plus d, a plus 2d in this way. Here 7, 12, 17, 22 in this way. This is the AP. This is the required AP. Okay. Then next questions. Here the question says, is 184 a term in the sequence? Is it possible 184 be a term in the AP? Is it possible 184 is a term in the AP? Here in the AP A equal to 3 and D equal to 7 minus 3 4. Then in this way A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of A we can write 3 plus n minus 1 into 4. Here a n is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 4, which is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 12, which is equal to 4n minus 9. Nth term is 4n minus 9. Let the nth term be 184. If we get the value of n as natural number, then can it possible 184 be a term in the AP? Here a n is equal to 4n minus 9. Let the nth term be 184, means let a n is equal to 184, means 4n minus 9 is equal to 184, which imply 4n is equal to 184 plus 9. 4n is equal to 193. This implies n is equal to 193 upon 4. This is not possible because n is not a natural number here. Here the n is not a natural number. Always n should be a natural number. Then can we find the AP? Then 184 be a term in the AP. Okay. Sorry students, here 4n minus 4. Okay. Sorry. Here we get a n is equal to 4n minus 1. Then let the nth term be 184. 4n minus 1 is equal to 184. Then 4n is equal to 184 plus 1, 185. Then n is equal to 185 upon 4, which is not a natural number. Means this 184 cannot be a term in the given AP. Okay. Then the next question is said 10th term of the AP is 52. Then the next question here says 10th term. Here the question says 10th term. 10th term is equal to 52. Means 10th term means A plus 9D is equal to 52. And the 16th term is 82. 16th term is equal to 82, which says A plus 15D is equal to 82. Then find the 32th term. Then we have to find the 32nd term. 32nd term, which means we have to find out A plus 13D. A plus 31D means we have to find out A plus 31D. When we, by solving equations, A plus 9D is equal to 52 and A plus 15D is equal to 82. Then subtracting this from this, we get A cancel. 15D minus 9D is equal to 82 minus 52, means 6D is equal to 30. Here D is equal to 30 upon 6, which equal to 5. Then put this value A plus 9D is equal to 52. Then A plus 9 into 5 is equal to 52. Means A equal to 52 minus 45 is 7. We get D equal to 5 and A equal to 7. Then we can find out A plus 31D. In place of A, 7 plus 31 into 5, which equal to A plus 1 155 which equal to 162, means 32nd term of the AP is 162. Okay, today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with AP. Thank you students. Keep